Hello everyone, I'm Alia Dipu. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with NCERT Class 7 Politics, Chapter 1 on Equality. Last video we discussed the story of Kanta and what we're going to learn in this chapter. And in this video we're going to discuss equal right to vote. Let's move on to the video. During the last video, when we were discussing Kanda's story, we also discussed some of the questions in our head and what could be the answers to them. So now let's discuss each point in the chapter one by one. And our first topic is equal rights to vote. From the word itself, we can understand what is equal rights to vote. It is the power that each citizen has to cast their vote. From Kanta's story, we can understand that Kanta and her employer were standing in the same line to cast their vote. So, in a democratic country, each citizen is entitled to vote, irrespective of their caste, religion, sex, etc. But then, what is democracy? Democracy can be simply understood as the power of the people. That is, it's a government in which the people have the power to elect their leaders. India is a democratic country, and many other democratic countries all around the globe ensure equality while voting. So during the time of voting, everybody's vote and themselves are considered equal. But when I was talking about this, I only mentioned adults, that is, people who have passed the age of 18. Why is that? Why can't we vote? It is because the government considers us to be mature enough to elect our leaders when we have passed the age of 18. So every adult, irrespective of their caste, religion, sex, etc., are given the right to vote. That is, in all dimensions of equality. Not a single adult is not allowed to cast his vote. So this system where any person who has passed the age of 18 can vote is known as Universal Adult Franchise. Universal Adult Franchise. Universal Adult Franchise. Under Universal Adult Franchise, every adult, irrespective of caste, religion, sex, etc., is allowed to vote. So every person in India, irrespective of their caste, religion, sex, etc., is allowed to vote. Universal adult franchise is based on equality. So we can ensure equality while voting through universal adult franchise. An example of that is when Kanta and Jain Sahib were standing in the same line to cast their vote. And this shows us that people from every walk of life comes together to stand in one line to cast their vote. But what about in other aspects of life? In the same story, Kanta had to go to the hospital and she was waiting in a line there also. But that line only had poor people. People like Jain Sahib need not wait in a line to go to the hospital. So, in other aspects of life, inequality is still there. In the next video, we are going to discuss exactly this. We are going to discuss different kinds of equality. So, make sure you stay tuned.